Good morning, guys! So, pupunta na kami sa Lotte Tower, the 5th tallest building in the world. So, yay!
Exciting! Pero takot ako. Exciting. Makulit yung anak ko kasi gusto ko sakay patay.
Architecture!
Wow! Lula, masyado.
Lula! On the way to Jamsil Station. Tapos doon tayo maglalakad papunta sa Lotte Tower. Papasok na kami sa Lotte World Mall Market. Sasabihin ko sana. Ayun. Tapos nandun sa taas yung observatory nila. So sky! Yan. So, kiklaim na natin yung tickets natin na binili sa Klook. Very convenient talaga. Architecture. Oh, so ito pala yung mga ginamit nilang mga materials.
조선시대 경복궁 근정전에서 시작하여 근대의 광화문 거리, 한강을 중심으로 한 현대 서울의 발전 모습과 롯데월드 타워의 건설 모습을 감상하실 수 있습니다. You can follow in the footsteps of Seoul's transformation into
안녕하세요. 한강익 시트로 117층에 도착합니다.
Si Mami. Wait for it. Wait for it. Guys, so may technique akong ginawa. Maglakad muna kayo hanggang dito, tapos doon pa lang kayo tumingin sa baba. Nakakalula pag doon pa lang tumingin ka na. Huwag ka tumingin sa baba.
Oh, yun na. Ilagay mo ba?
Wala pa nga ito sa... Talaga ni Mami pumunta. Gusto na siya. Wow, tapang ni Daddy, Galing!
Mas das ka talaga.
Guys, so meron pa pala isang glass floor sa other side. So, dito mas onti yung tao kasi dun sa isa, yun yung una mo makikita. So, ang dami nagkukumpulang mga tao dun. Ayan, so, gagawin ko ulit yung trick ko. Lakad muna, tapos tingin! Ito guys, yung Sky Terrace. Hindi kami makalabas. It's temporarily closed. Baka kasi windy today. Kasi okay lang. Ganda pa rin yung experience dun sa glass floor. Sobrang must go if you're here in Seoul. Pupuntahan naman natin yung Seoul Sky Cafe. Now, punta naman tayo sa Sky Shop. Ayan, so, mga souvenirs. Meron na naman sila yung chocolate na cute yung packaging. Parang watercolor effect. Ayan, si Mami si mga snow globe. Ako parang gusto ko nitong mug. Either this pink one or this mint one. Joke lang, para mas gusto ko pala itong pastel yellow mug. Ang ganda kasi kita mo na yung skyline ng Seoul. Oh my gosh, ang cute ng candle! Chos lang, phone case pala siya. Ito yung candle.
롯데월드 단지의 야경과 풍경을 감상하시겠습니다. 롯데월드 타워를 중심으로 한 불꽃놀이 쇼 of a variety of attractions that look like a fireworks show in Souvenirs Lake.
Hey, so after sa tower, kain na tayo ng lunch, guys. Sarap. So I'm having cheese ramen, and then octopus, and then some dumpling ramens kay Daddy.
Up together is like heaven made for two. All the other guys got cash for days. I don't really care, cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them. I don't see the point of the bling bling bling. Just even know my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you.
Oh, dun tayo galing, guys, sa pinakatuktok ng Lotte World Tower. Buti na lang mapag-tour tayo dito sa labas. Ganda rin ng parang park nila dito sa labas. Guys, sa sobrang tangkad niya, kailangan ko pa pumunta doon sa malayo para mapicturean yung buong building. Kasi hindi abot ng lens ng phone ko.
Still brand new. Yeah. All the other guys got girls for days.
So guys, nandito na kami sa COEX Mall on the way to their Starfield Library to have some nice Instagram photos, doing it for the gram. Ganda din ang building na to.
Love you. I just wanna love you.
Pwede naman to push eh.
I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. Yeah. I just wanna love every time we say sorry. Yeah. Biggie dad for your your hand, girl, this is it. Sleeping on my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna.
So we're waiting to have our turn dito sa kung saan nagpapapicture lahat.
Yeah. I don't wanna waste even every day. I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. I just wanna love.
So yung next na pupuntahan naman natin is yung pinag-shootingan ng Goblin. Yung may magandang wall, brick walls, stone walls. Ayan, so nandito tayo sa Dock Sugong.
Every inch of your body.
Okay guys, papunta na tayo sa Dock Sugong. Actually, nandito na tayo sa labas. Ayan! Hi guys, so mali. Nasa labas lang pala ng palace yung pinag-shootingan. Kaso doon, tingnan natin, parang cute. Picture-picture lang tayo, 50 pesos din yung entrance. Oh, ganda ng Dock Sugong Palace. Tignan tayo dito ng mga OOTDs. Walang tao. Tayo lang. Tayo lang yung tao. Kasi siguro nasa labas sila lahat. Mami.
Nandito kami sa Goblin.
Wala nga. Hindi nga yun dito. Hana, do, set.
Ano sa'yo?
Ano yan? Ano yung gano'n?
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings I've been.
This beautiful life, beautiful day. Guys, so nandito na tayo sa Dongdaemun Design Plaza by Zaha Hadid. Oh my gosh! Oops, Zaha did it again. Oh my gosh, guys. Isa sa mga gusto ko pa naman puntahan yung LED roses. Kaso art installation pala siya. Tapos na siya. Kaso at least I got to see this architectural wonder. Like, oh my gosh. Makakahawak na ako ng Zaha Hadid. Okay. Touch!
But I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum. I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much, Van Gogh might take a while.
Upo ka na.
Thank you for coming, I know that you're trying to make
1, 2, 3.
I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte. That you don't fall asleep, cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing.
Zaha Hadid. Guys, ang galing. Like, sa mga lessons namin, ang hirap gumawa ng mga curvy structures. Kaya, isa sa mga favorites ko si Zaha Hadid. Like, ang interesting lagi ng mga forms niya, ang organic.
I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming, I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.
Samgyeopsal. So we have here pork and beef. Ayan. Near our hotel, and so ang cool niya, like ikaw yung mamimili ng meat and per serving siya. Tapos tulungan na rin kami ni Ajuma. Medium rare. Sarap! Sobrang sarap, guys. Soju. 1, 2, 3. Yummy! Oh my gosh, guys, ang sarap. Authentic samgyeopsal. Sarap, daddy, ng beef.
Oo, sarap.
Try naman natin yung pork. Kung nandito yung pork, nandito yung beef. So, ito guys yung kinainan namin. Super sarap ng beef pala. Have to try.
Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartbreak. Tell me why